Hi there, Serial Trader here. Just going to do a check-in on crude oil. So in the last video we were working this ABC up and looking for it to complete fairly soon, and we had this target of the 100% relationship between wave C and wave A, and that was just nicked there, and then we've rolled over quite nicely since then. And more importantly, that 66.66 top was not violated. It sure got close, but in a wave 1, 2, if this is a wave 1 down, 2 up, wave 2 can retrace up to 100% of wave 1. So it could literally have gone to 66, 66, not 66, 67 though, that'd be a violation, and then roll over, and that would still be acceptable, although extremely deep. Normally wave 2 is, the 61.8% retracement, or the 782 for a deeper one, but technically it can retrace up to 100% of wave 1, and this was just shy of that. It went to 66.55, so not too far away, but it respected that top. This ABC structure is still very corrective looking, contained within these parallel lines, and now we're rolling over. Good early signs anyways. So the trade, certainly no reason to abandon it here. And often reversal trades like this, since we have been in a intermediate term uptrend anyways, they like to test you. But if you're disciplined and you follow the rules and guidelines, in this case of the wave principle, you allow for a near full retracement of that initial move down. There was no need to get out of this trade unless that 66, 67 actually got printed, and it didn't. So that being said, what do we have for targets here? Assuming the top is in, which at the moment that looks promising. Well, we have the 100% relationship between this initial move down and this retracement. So if we got an AB, you can expect at least 100% length of A to come down in C from the B extreme, so that would bring us to 57.96, so around 58. Very similar to that initial bottom. And if you're coming down in a third wave, you'd expect, at least a 1618 extension here. So the length of wave 1 projected off the termination point of wave 2, and the 1618 multiple of that would bring us down to 52.65, so that would be a fairly large move. But what else could be going on here? Just in case, even though it looks really good here and it's cooperating with the analysis, what else could be going on? Well, so what if this is 1 up, 2 down, and this is still a developing third wave, and we're going to make new highs, and this rally just isn't quite done yet? How would we know that's happening? Well, obviously, if 66.66 broke, it's happening, right? But what would you have for a target if you actually wanted, just because you have a trade idea and we're looking down right now, if the market forces you to change your mind, nothing's stopping you from going bullish here instead, if that high gets taken out. And then what would your targets be? So let's do this. So let me just change that here. We'll do the 1618 and the 1.0. Those are my two favorites for this sort of thing. Certainly they can be exceeded, but they're good places to start. So, we already had the 1.0, but the 1618, that would go to 69.93, so around $70. So that'd be a decent trade. Catch a good $3 or $4 move to the upside in crude, not too bad. Now I don't think that's happening here at all, so I'll just delete that. But if have a game plan in case things change on you. Right now, certainly still looking lower. Okay, I'm going to show one more chart with crude here, and that would be a candlestick chart with my other setup here. Okay, and this is the daily. And let's have a look. No labels or anything. So on the oscillator here, stochastics, and these are quite sensitive stochastics. They're faster than you would normally have. And the settings are 12.3.3. Okay. If you want to see those settings. So the K period is 12, the D period is 3, and that's close. And then you just have the overbought, oversold at 80 and 20. So if you want those settings, there they are. Anyways, so no wave labels here. Overbought on our stochastics oscillator. Definitely some upper wicks on these candles, rejecting these higher prices. Now I have the teal line and this black line. That's the 3-period EMA and the 8-period EMA. So the 3T line and the regular T line. So no real confirmation yet on the daily using this visual. You'd like to see, obviously, candles start closing below the T line and also have this 3T line cross below the regular T line. And we're not there yet, although a couple more down days and we're certainly there. So that's just something to keep a look at on, the daily. We were looking at the 4-hour before. On the daily, not a whole lot has happened, and we're still pretty close to that peak, although, early promising signs that it's rolling over. So hopefully that's a helpful update on crude there. Good luck with your trading, and stay tuned for more. Serial Trader signing off.